DIY keratin hair treatment at home. Straight damaged frizzy hair. Get shiny, soft, silky hair. Ingredients: coconut milk, honey, yogurt, castor oil, aloe vera gel, 1 egg, 1 banana, cornstarch, 1 banana, ½ cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon castor oil. Blend. Mask is ready. Apply the mixture on your hair, from scalp to the ends of the hair. Cover your hair with a shower cap. Leave on hair for 2 hours. After 2 hours, wash your hair with shampoo. You will have smooth and silky hair. Repeat this recipe twice a week for best results.